Let's go ahead and make this Lumix video. Lippity bippity. I mean, if you want to, you can adjust it. I'm comfortable.
I don't know if it's me or if it's, you know.
I'm fine. Hey everybody, how you guys doing this morning? Ooh. I think it's the day we need to do KD repair. Fuck. Oh God, you got ghost. Me. No, he didn't have ghost. He just took an odd route to me. Like, I work really well with people in like a multiple person setting. The thing I struggle with the most is like creating my own content, like being in this situation, because like I hyper focus, especially when I'm playing like first person shooters, and as I hyper focus, it makes my shit more and more dull. Oh, thank you, Snipe Daddy. I appreciate that you are feeding into my 37-year-old e-bagging style. Appreciate the $2, dude. I'm trying to figure out where the enemy is, but stand. Hey, Jack Thomas, nice game, super cool. Been around since that seizure. Nice game, dude. Super cool to see you doing well. Been around since 2011. Hope you all good Thanksgiving. Thank you, Jack Thompson. I had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Spent it with my wife. He's kind of waiting on me. And then as soon as, dude, Chris fucking Kringle, dude, like. Oh, come on. Ah. Really? It's like, this is one of those matches where it's like I'm literally negative and I'm getting no fucking traffic. Get him, blue boy. Come on, dude. Fuck that. You can't rely on a random to do anything. All you had to do was shoot him in his back. That's all you had to do was shoot him in his fucking back, and you couldn't do it. Come on, dog. Fuck. So frustrating. Oh. I came back. Had a positive KD. Nah, Boogie's not hard to get along with at all. Like Boogie is always woe is me. Like, everything is fucking wrong. It's like, I think fucking Tommy said it best. Like, you having a bad cancer day? I can't do that fucking New Jersey accent. Where'd you go from, Bob? Oh, you came from behind me? I got you, Bob. Fuck you, Bob. Seriously, Bob. Suck a dick. Oh! The guy on the boat Boathouse. Oh. Yeah, come on, dude. Really? That's what you're doing, Neon? Dude. I hate where we're spawning at. Why does it keep spawning me here?
Come on now.
Oh, come on, dog. There's just so many ways that people can get to you. It's ridiculous. Yes.
Your humble servant is going to get food. Would you like anything?
Yes.
Oh, we got Take a Dirt Nap again on our
Text
team?
me.
What?
Text me. I don't have my phone on me.
So why'd you say text me?
I think one. Take a Dirt Nap went 5 and 28 again on our team. What is going on? 5 and 28! What? Why did they give us dirt? 27-10. Which isn't great. But
Dude, why did my sentry gun shoot him? Come on with the sniper.
Fucking
and then, like,
campers.
one
Fucking
person
campers
joined.
on my huevo. Bruh.
You want every game to be
I
a
didn't
stomp
mean to
session
do
against Scrubs?
that.
How's that fun? It's amazing.
Setting Claymore.
Not only is it fun, it makes my day better. It makes my day better. It makes my day better. It makes my day better.
that's
You're
the
sitting
beauty
in
of
the
it, though.
fucking corner, Sammy? Oh, you dropped down.
That's it. Like, once you use, like, subs and shit, and you go back to this, it's like, whoa.
My wife just sent me a text message saying she's bringing me a McRib home. I didn't even know the McRib was back. Wow, that man just trapped Daddy Poochie. I knew it the second. Love the new pod, little salt. Dude, thank you so much. We're trying to get Chris Chan on right now. Dude, where'd you come? Who is dying like this? Like, come on. Like, I'm positive. And I haven't got the most gunfights, but damn, son, somebody is. Dude. Somebody on our team is like fucking 10 and 30. Guaranteed. Let's look at the beauty. There's a McRib sandwich. Coke. Oh, dog, the philanthropist. Ribacue, which was basically a McRib. Oh. Yeah, gotta hit that McDonald's up. Come on. About to fucking quit. About to fucking quit. Well, I was just getting killed by a guy with a one-shot pistol and a breacher drone.
Yep.
Scotty Too
Bueno,
Hottie.
falta barre de munition.
I got Scotty Too Hottie,
Hola, ¿qué?
Admiral Levine, and Silly Sarah. I never understood like why people consider me a low cal to begin with. Like I understand that I got upset a few times. All right, let me. People are upset that I pulled this all out. Was anybody upset that we left that last game? Because I most definitely was not. All right. Yep, that's it for me. That's it for me. Looks like this stream's getting deleted.